So guys, today I want to come and show you guys my corridor before I decorate it. Now I have this little carpet that goes from the door up to there so you guys can see. But what I'm planning to do is to put a carpet all the way on top of the wooden floor, just because we're getting into the winter and the kids go outside, the dirty shoes. They can't really leave it up to where the carpet is. They walk with the shoe all the way in, and I'm just sick and tired of the dirty, to see the dirty here. So that's the reason why I'm going to put a carpet here. And I got this storage thing from Ikea, which I want to put in the corner here, like right in this corner by the wooden here. I want to put it right there and right there, and then I put a flower. I have this big mirror in my living room, which I'm trying to put here in this next to the heater, so that it's stand there, so that if you're coming out you can actually watch it yourself. So this is what the corridor is looking like at the moment. It's pretty, it's not that big, but it's kind of big compared to other corridor that I have seen. So this is the entrance when you come into the house, and I'm going to show you guys the other side. So this is what you get when you're standing in front of the entrance. So here I have the shoe where the kids put their shoes. This is shoes that they wear more often, because I also have, like, in the storage there, the door you guys see there, that's the kelder, that's how we call it. It's like the understairs where I also have some shoes there. But for now, this is how everything is looking. So the people will be coming today to fix the floor, which I'm super excited about. I have the bell, the house bell, standing right there. I'm super excited. So I just want to come and show you guys here. I have pictures on the wall for the kids, for the family. I do have pictures on the wall there, and it's just white. As you guys can see, I painted on top, so you guys can see the paint there, like right there, because the kids kind of write on the wall. This is a wallpaper, here is a wallpaper, so it's kind of difficult when you paint it. You see that mark here, but I feel like it's okay. It's not that bad. Nobody's going to be watching at it. It's a wallpaper. It's not like the normal wall, like in the living room. I don't have wallpaper. I just have like the wall. But yeah, so the kids kind of draw on top of it, so I just go in with some paint just to make sure everything is nice. But yeah, this is how everything is looking. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get rid of this one. Maybe I'll put this one in the kitchen, because I'm done with the kitchen. And I just want to also fix this one, and I'm getting rid of everything, just done with everything. So yeah, this is it. I can't wait to show you guys the finished result. Everything I ordered will be in this week, so definitely I'm going to be finishing everything this week. Everything is going to be finished this week, and I'm pretty excited to show how things. I used to have all pictures on the wall right there, but I took everything out, so this is how everything was looking. And this is just the stairs going up here, and here I have places where to hang jacket and everything. And yeah, it's just a wooden, this is like a wooden thing on the wall, so it's pretty nice, you know. So yeah, stay tuned for the finished results. I can't wait to show you guys what the finished result looks like. Stay tuned. So guys, I want to come and show you guys the corridor we have done. I'm done decorating. So this is the carpet that I put here. I still have the wooden floor underneath, so the carpet is just spread on top. So now we have this carpet here. It's very easy when the kids are back home from school, because this one is really helps take off the dirt of their shoes. So it's very easy, and it stays like this. It's very beautiful. I just really like it. And also I remove the thing on the stairs for the kids. When the girl was little, it was a little bit, yeah, not so good for her to be climbing up the stairs, but she's not 2 years old. She can climb the stairs on her own. So I thought it's time to remove this stuff that was here, so I removed that one as well, and now everything is just looking beautiful. So this mirror I'm having here used to be in the living room, so now I put it in the corridor, so at least you can look at yourself when you're going out. You can definitely see yourself, because it was just hanging in the living room and it wasn't making any, there was no use for it there. So I thought maybe here it would definitely do a lot, so I have it here. And here I have some flowers and some few stuff. Here I have my snake plants. As you guys know, I really love plants, and snake plants is a very good plant. It's very good for oxygen, very good for a lot of stuff. So there's a lot of good health benefits when it comes to snake plants. And here I just have random stuff. Hand cream. Always have to keep my hand moisturized because it's cold right now. I have some candles here, and here is just some random stuff. Power bank, because my battery is always dead, and so just the charger. Just few stuff here for the kids, nothing really special. And here I do have some stuff for the kids as well. Books, some papers, to drawing papers and all that. And I got this tray here from the Blokker, if you guys live in the Netherlands. And I also got this Ikea. I got this Ikea store cast. I got this one, and I got the store this one. I got this as well, and I got this from Ikea. So this set is from Ikea, and this one is from Blokker. So this is how everything is looking. It looks really nice, and I really love it, you know. I really love how everything is looking. It looks really beautiful. Everything just looks so nice. I just love it. And I love the mirror. I love how the mirror is looking. You can definitely see yourself. It's very, the kids love it. The kids love the mirror. So let me show you guys the other side of the other side of the corridor. So the other side, so you guys can see there in that little corner where the plant is, there used to be the shoe rack. I removed the shoe rack, so actually there's no shoe rack here anymore. I removed it. I put this plant. I got this plant from the Aldi. If you live in the Netherlands, sometimes the Aldi, the Lidl, they do have some really nice plants. I got the plant from the Aldi, and I got the pot from the Aldi. But this plant also came with a pot, so it had like 2 pots in it, but I love this white one, so I pick up that white one as well from the Aldi. So now everything is just looking nice. So the carpet is just all the way in the corridor, and then it stopped right here, so it doesn't go in the living room, but it's just so nice, and I really like it. With this one, sometimes the only downfall on this carpet, like you see when the kids come in with their shoes, the dirt, you see it very quickly, but then it's very easy to clean. I don't really mind, because we all know here the kids go in and out. I don't really like, before I used to be very obsessed with getting everything clean, everything perfect, but now after 3 kids, I'm like, let them play, let them have fun, and when they go to bed, I clean up. So this is how it's looking. I feel like this side looks really nice now. It looks more open. It looks more, there's more space in here now. There's not a lot of stuff in here, and with the white piece, I feel like it makes it more open. I feel like also removing this the thing that was here for the baby, after removing it, it makes the space looks even more bigger. So guys, this is the finished result. So let me know what you guys think. And this mirror is everything. Like, I'm not the only one who's obsessed with this mirror. Everybody loves it, the kids. And in the wall, I just have like a bunch of family pictures in the wall, just a bunch of family pictures in the wall. And this is how everything is looking. I used to have some pictures in the door, in that door right there, but I removed everything because I want it to be like a clean space. I want everything to be super clean, so I removed all that. Yeah, I really like it. I love how everything is looking. Everything is looking really, please excuse the noise of the little girl. She's playing her music. But I love how everything is looking. Everything is looking super nice. It looks very beautiful and I really love it. So there we have space to hang jacket and all the stuff, and this side of the wall is, you guys can see, it's just family pictures. I feel like I'm okay with the way things are right now. I feel like everything is cool at the moment and I love it. It's like this and it's just easy. These are just random storage containers for the kids and for myself. And when I get post, instead of the kids just putting the post everywhere, they just put the post on top of this thing, so it's easy for me to know, okay, I got a new post, I need to open it, I need to read. Before, the kids would just take the post and just mix everything, and I'll get a post and I wouldn't even know that I got a new post that I need to attend to. But now everything is just looking pretty nice. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. I really love this plant. It is super beautiful. And both of these plants, they are not really that high maintenance. For somebody who is not really into plants, it's very easy going plant. You don't need to put water every single day. But I'm a plant lover, so I definitely check if I need to put some water. And I really love it. Yeah, so I hope you all like this. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye.